Petroleum Dealers Association of Pynshai Nengaski, Pynshai halor kamat bayadei bat jingkhleh ETHANOL haka petrol. Presiden kaseng ba Kennedy Kriam mula ong bah urempang arajar apuar ka sarkar kelawan ra ya jingkhleh ETHANOL haka petrol. Hapo jong ka ETHANOL blended petrol program harikat ki babon ki jing temu bakin top ya jing duna haka jing shania banwan ra na shabar ki jing kin shaw haki foreign exchange ban kin tiyo ya rap karyang bat ka jing yadei haki jing mentoy maryang.
Jadi dekat, mentah lagi dari di dalam ada koi bersambung
di bahan berbentuk jam petrol,
premium fuel, harga jaga jepang normal, kebanyakan ni pak. Pilih kali mentah kat jenis start of science kalau pak.
The Government of India, through the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, has introduced 10% ethanol blended petrol. There is one program we call EBP, Ethanol Blended Program. In this program, the Government of India has introduced 10% ethanol added with the petrol. There are advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is that this is a chemical, it is we call it biofuel. So a petrol mixed with ethanol, the smoke emission is less. That means the carbon dioxide is less. But ethanol absorbs water.
Telecom Regulatory Authority of India